Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio and my 100-day project. I am doing gel print landscapes. You probably saw that in the title. I kind of cheated this day. I'm doing 3 in one day because they were kind of quickish. And I decided to use my Golden Open. I actually saw a lady do a landscape on a gel plate because I've been looking this up how to do these and getting ideas, and she used open paints, and she did a technique where she folds the gel plate to create the horizon line. So I thought I would give it a try. She also drug a card across her paint so that you didn't get the round blobs, and with the open it actually works. I didn't try it before. I'm not sure if it would work with stiffer paint, and obviously I just took some off there. All right, yeah, if you brayer too much, you'll just lift your paint right back off. So you fold it in half slightly just to get that little mark, and then pull the print. And I think it's too pronounced. A little bit too bright. She was using a smaller plate, and I don't know if that would have made a difference. But there is March 1st. I can't remember what number I'm on, but that's March 1st. I should number my papers. Now, I am using a combination of the open acrylics that I own. So the first, let's see, do all 3 of these use the same mixture? No. The first one I used Phthalo Blue Green Shade, Indian Yellow, Titan Green Pale, and Alizarin Crimson. That was the first one. And then this one I am using Titan Green Pale and Phthalo Blue Green Shade, Indian Yellow, and Alizarin Crimson hue. And the Alizarin Crimson was mixed with a little bit of white, I believe, to get that kind of pinky color. I forgot to fold it. We're going to fold it because it's what I'm trying to do. Create that horizon line. I was thinking I was doing better, but I kind of got a double kind of thing happening there. And this is a really short video. I mean, these don't have all the detail like my first few did with the mountains and stuff. Because I was trying this. I loved what she had created, and if I can find her video, I'll link it in the description box below, because her piece turned out beautiful. Mine are a little less so. It's really interesting, though. I can feel the paper, and it's like perfectly smooth. Like, there's no, except for some random bits that were on the plate for the first one, like, it doesn't even feel like paint. And let's see, the last one, I'm using Quinn Nickel Azel Gold, Titan Green Pale, Phthalo Blue Green Shade, and Alizarin Crimson again. At least that's what I have written down. What is that dark one? That's the Phthalo Blue. And then doing the crease. And I thought I would fix it, and I made a double crease. So, like I said, this is a really short video. What do you think of this technique? I may come back to it again if I get better. But I certainly didn't have the wonderful results the person I watched did. So, yeah, that's the thing. Anyways, if you like my video, please leave me a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day.